Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete friends on Stumble guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application and choose friends. Here you can see various options like friends, pending friends, recommended friends, and down there you will see your friend, in which there is written view join party and there is one bin like option. You have to click on that bin to remove your friend and again click on confirm, and now your friend is removed. So this is how you remove your friend in Stumble guys. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.